I am so excited for this. This is a 10,000 milliamp power bank that charges by the sun. It is solar powered. So whether you are a camper or a traveler or just want to be able to charge your phone in the case of a power outage, this is gonna be the answer. I was sent this solar powered power bank to review from Blavor, so let's set it up and test it out. The manual, a carabiner so you can hook it onto your backpack so it'll charge your power bank while you are hiking. A USB-C to USB-A type cord. So you can use this to hook up your phone to the power bank or use it wired to charge your power bank instead of the sun. And here it is. So tiny. It is the size and the weight of my phone basically. Wireless solar power bank. Oh my gosh. It is shockproof, dustproof, and waterproof because all your ports are covered here. So our labels are here. You can use USB-C and USB-A input and output. In case you need to get this fully powered overnight or in the rain or something, you can plug it in so you can charge it up by an outlet. You can charge your device from here by cord or magnetically. I'm gonna attach this carabiner that it came with. It even has a compass on there. Just gonna feed that through. There we go, fully attached. And now we can hang this from a backpack, a purse, whatever. It's super lightweight, as I said. It weighs about the same and is about the same size as my iPhone 14 Pro. Let's go ahead and charge this up in the sun. You click the power button over here and it'll show you how much power you have in there. We charged it outside, so we're at full juice right now. Fully charged. Hold it down. The flashlight function will come on, which is really cool. Hold it down again to turn it off. I love that this is a magnetic charger. Charging. You'll know it's charging when the green light is flashing, and also, of course, you'll have that little lightning mark up there. You can do it this way as well, but I like to go this way. Then I can see that flashing just to make sure that it's still charging, because it's not a very strong magnet. It's like just, you can't even really feel it. This thing is so handy to have, whether you just go camping and need a portable power bank that's gonna charge without electricity, or you just need something for emergencies or whatever. I love it, and I know you will too.